Hey guys, it is shampoo time. Yay! This is Akaya coming at you. Hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. I'll be using Dawn. Yes, Dawn for my hair. When I say guys, I love Dawn. I am going to first get my hair really saturated and really wet. What you can do is just put you some water inside of your sink and just wet your hair really good. You're wetting your hair, you're not getting it all messy or anything like that. If you need to, you can always have a towel, but I like to make sure everything is nice and saturated. And then I'll follow it up with using my Dawn. Sometimes you don't have to use a moisturizing shampoo afterwards. I never do, but just to be on the safe side, if you want to, you can always find a shampoo that you like. But one time, just try it with the Dawn. I'm telling you, it's the best. It clean it, nice and soft, and you have no problems at all. Get it from wet, from root to tip, all wet, out the shower. So that's what I'm gonna do first. Get all your hair all super wet. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm taking each lock and I'm just taking it from what? About right there to here. You wanna always make sure you're focusing on that area. I put it in sections and I do each one. Take it, take that shampoo, whatever you're using, but I'm telling you guys, you need to try Dawn. So good. You do the Dawn first and then follow it up with whatever moisturizing shampoo you like. And sometimes, to be honest with you, I don't even follow it up. I just use the Dawn because my hair be so lightweight afterwards and clean. I clean all that. Okay, now we're going to get to the back. Take it out, take the back out. And like I said, once you get done with that root, y'all, that's when you're going to start focusing on the actual lock itself. Because it's not really usually the lock itself that's dirty. It's the actual scalp to lock part. So again, take it. Do like that. Get all that. Take it. Take it. You see? And I'm telling you, once you rinse this out, you're not going to have any buildup. Because that's the worst, y'all. When you think you clean something right and it's a bunch of buildup. Just clean it. And I'm telling you guys, it should not take you no more, no matter how thin your locks is, it shouldn't take you super long. Because this is what you're going to be dedicating your day to, is shampooing your hair. You gotta love on your locks, because I'm telling you, if you don't love on your locks, they could become very thin and unhealthy. You gotta love on your locks. You gotta love on everything, really, to be honest with you, in this world. Okay, guys, so see, look, done with this section. And then once I get totally done with the other section, I'll put this in a ponytail and I get all this clean with the shampoo, the Dawn. Okay, so now we're gonna start with this one. Take it, start from the front. See what I'm doing? And you should not be making no mess. Have your towel, but you should not have a mess. I got the water inside of the sink, so you ain't wasting water either. Take it from wood to about right there. Yeah, take it. All this, you're getting all this cleanse. Really, this is really where all the dirtiness is. And you can take two if you want to. Again, clean it just like that. And I'm telling you, you're gonna have the best clean. So just be quiet and let you guys watch me now. And no, I didn't take this out because it was kind of hard to get in. So I just decided to leave this in. Some jewelry you can leave in when you wash. Some. Okay, so look how fast that was. I got that done. Okay. And there's nothing, guys, wrong with trimming your locks. If you want to trim your locks, trim your locks. I remember when I first started, I was like, oh my God, people are trimming their locks. It's so crazy. Because I got wrapped up in that facade. If you want to trim your locks, it's okay. It is okay. Because when I say I sleep so much better since I did that, I'm going to take this, each one, each one, each one. Get that thing clean. And if you want, you can go all the way down. And I say, guys, this probably take about a good, less than an hour. And you turn your candle on and relax. This is your self-care time. See, I already got shampoo on it. And if I didn't, just take it. Okay, guys. There we go. We got all of it clean. Now, like I said, you just put it, go ahead and get the ends now. You already focused on the main stuff because I don't know something about locks. You really don't have a lot of buildup, y'all, in your actual locks unless you really, really was not cleaning them. The buildup is really in the root. See, get all that in there. And like I said, guys, I let it sit for about a good 20 minutes or however long you want it to sit. I call this my deep conditioning. I'm gonna do some things around the house, and then when I come back, like I said, guys, go ahead and get these ends. Put shampoo on these ends. You put this up in a ponytail. And then I'll rinse it out in the shower. And now I'm focusing on the actual lock itself. And be gentle. See how clean that's getting? And it does not take much at all. I wanted to give me a good cleaning, y'all, before my 7 years is up. Just take care of it. I gotta take care of it more. I have learned a lot in these 7 years. I think the main thing I learned was everybody's lock journey is different. It's okay to make mistakes with hair. You just pick up from where you left off, basically. There's no right or wrong way. The main thing, guys, is just keeping it healthy. Staying away from thick products and crazy color products, because guys, what you put in your hair, it don't come out like loose hair does. So I just put it all up in a ponytail, so it won't be getting all wet or nothing. And the way that I did it, guys, I'm telling you, is not, you didn't get wet. It's not all crazy looking. You should not have a big mess. Like I said, now just let it sit for 30. Go do whatever you got to do, and then come back, rinse it out, take your shower, and there you have it. That is how you shampoo your hair, quick, easy, with Locs. Okay? Any questions? Put in the comment screen. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe. If you are a subscriber, go ahead and press subscribe again, because I heard a lot of people are not subscribers like they used to be, because I guess don't know what really happened, but some kind of way some of my subscribers got unsubscribed. So I would love for you to subscribe again. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about that. And I know your hair will be super clean. Okay, guys, I am all done. I'm gonna have nice, fresh, clean hair, and it smells good. And all I used was the Dawn. I'm telling you guys, try it. I know you'll like it. Bye, guys.